guys, so you just watched my video on this look, and it is on the Boss Lady agenda. It is the Charmed I'm Sure look, and you know, at first I didn't think that it was going to come out this great, but it came out kind of cute. So I basically followed everything that was on here, and the only thing that I did a little different was actually add some glitter underneath my eye, because I just wanted some glitter, you know, some plain pink glitter. So I used my NYX glitter to add some oomph to this look. And I also changed the lip. I didn't do nude, I did green, and I think it looked cute. So I got this face beat, you know, it looks all cute and stuff, you know. But anyways, so what I need you guys to do is hit the subscribe button at the bottom, you know, share this video, tell your mom, tell your man, tell your sister, your daddy, whoever. Share the video. Leave some like and some comments. Tell me how you like the look. Tell me if you're following this Boss Lady agenda, you know, monthly thing. And let me know how your journey is going. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Bye.